Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 13 Neo, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer. Just go to your contacts, and here let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and pick this camera icon in the middle. And as you can see, right now we can pick between two different options. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got a person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. Let's find the photo we'd like to use and pick it. Tap on got it, and here from this tab we can adjust the size of this square so we can make it smaller or bigger, and change the position of the photo. We can also zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area, this highlighted square, is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, maybe something like that. You can also rotate the picture, it's up to you. And if you're ready, just tap on Save Copy. As you can see, the photo has been immediately applied here, so remember to tap on Save in the right upper corner, it's very important. And as you can see, the photo has been applied, and it will be shown on the contact list, and also, for example, whilst all incoming calls from that number. So basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to contact in your Motorola Edge 13 Neo. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.